So my channel is going out of date, so I'm updating it. Now first up, before starting off this video, I have a shorts channel called Unexpected Shorts where I'll be posting short, fun, tech videos, any sort of videos. Go subscribe, link in the description. Now, many of you have been saying, Unexpected, why do you always have the orange background? Well, now if you can see, I have a blue background. Blue! Oh. Didn't realize I was out of the frame. Blue! Yes, I finally changed my background to blue, and it's not only blue. I will have a wooden background, which is just my cupboard. I had to paint even the other side blue. I can't help it. Your guys' mistake. Okay, you told me to change the. Oh shit! Crap. Now, let me tell you one thing. I'll be grinding videos this month, and when I say grinding, I mean it. Actually, on second thoughts, no, I won't be grinding videos. Now, so now I have changed my camera, so I'll be shooting at 4K 60 FPS, but I will not be editing at 4K 60 FPS. Now I used to use the Windows free editor or editing software, whatever you want to call it, but it was not sufficient for my needs. So now I use DaVinci Resolve Studio. So if you don't know DaVinci Resolve Studio, it's like an editing software that usually uses GPU power more than CPU, and the laptop that I have right now does not have a powerful GPU, so 4K would take a long time to edit. So I'll be editing at 1080p, and if I actually build a good computer with a good GPU, then I might be editing at 4K. But right now we all know the GPU crisis. Go away miners, no one likes you. So now I have upgraded the camera and I'm using a different software, and you should get a little bit better audio quality of mine because I have got a new mic. And if you actually want a review of this, if you actually want an unboxing video of this, I can do it. Like, I won't do a full review. I mean, it's just a mic. I'll do an unboxing video of it, probably put the link in the description or something if you actually want to buy this. And you might not find a difference, but it's just slight difference, and you'll not be seeing it in the frame. Usually it'll be hanging above my head or something like that. So no, not like that. No. It'll be hanging above my head, so you won't be seeing it in the frame. And I even actually have a black background which will be used for a special video coming up very soon. And yeah, we even have a better unboxing experience because I will hook up a camera from the top so you can actually see the table better. And we even have a better camera, and we will even have props in the videos like this. Yeah, you get the idea. We have different props. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the update, and I'll be posting more frequently. You'll be watching higher quality videos, and I need a haircut. And yeah, that's it for today. Subscribe to my shorts channel, Unexpected Shorts. I'll be posting almost every day if I can. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I changed the background. You have to subscribe. Bye.